Hey everyone, in this video, we will show you how to make the most out of your O-POS system, by utilizing the attendance feature. With this feature, you'll be able to track your employees' attendance. As the owner of the business, you'll be able to run reports to see your staff's attendance. First you'll need to log in as the admin. Then click the HRM menu. Next click on the Settings menu. Turn the option on, by checking the box. Click the Update button to save the configuration changes. Now log into the system with an employee account. Then navigate to the HRM menu. Click on Attendance. You'll see the Clock In button. Simply click Clock In to record the end time. The employee can type in a short note if they need to. Press Submit. This brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching.